Neal has an itch.
Viết
Written
bởi
by Sally
Shane
Dixon.
Minh
Illustrated
họa
by
bởi
Willy
Willy
Wonka. Shane the sheep was going to make some pots of jelly. Neal the seal wanted to help him and said,
I can pick some food from the field to put into the jelly.
Neal the seal. Shane the sheep.
Neal took a bag and went to a field by the road where there were lots of trees. He could see a peach tree.
Fence. Tree. Flower. Peach.
Anh đào,
Peach
Cây anh đào.
tree.
ngọn đồi.
Field.
It was a windy day, and the wind was blowing the peach tree. Neal picked some yellow peaches and said,
These will be good for Shane's jelly.
Túi,
Bag.
Neal put the yellow peaches in his bag and could feel an itch on his fin. His chubby belly was shaking like jelly,
I don't know
Tôi
what
không
is
biết
making me
phải
itch.
làm
said Neal. He looked in the bag, but could not see what made him itch. Neal took his bag and went to a field of green parsley. The wind stopped blowing. He picked some parsley and said, Neal took his bag and went to a He picked some parsley and said,
This green parsley will be good for Shane's jelly.
Barn.
nông trại,
Buffalo.
trâu,
Tractor.
Neal put the green parsley in his bag and could feel an itch on his fin again. He looked in his bag and could see something round and small looking at him. He could see Lee the bee.
ly,
Lee the bee.
Why are you in my bag?
Said Neal to the happy bee.
The wind blew me into your bag while you were picking peaches.
Said Lee the bee.
You did not see me, so I ran up and down your fin.
That's why I could feel an itch.
Said Neal.
chưa xong ạ.
Can I help Shane
Cậu có
make
thể
jelly?
giúp tôi
Said
làm
Lee.
cày
I
tạc
think
không?
he would like your help.
Said Neal. Neal and Lee helped Shane make many pots of peach jelly. Then they made many pots of parsley jelly.
Thank you for your help.
Said Shane to Neal and Lee. Neal put Lee the bee into his bag and went back to the peach tree in the field. Lee the bee sat on a round peach in the tree and said,
It was fun to make jelly.
Next time, we can make some cookies and smoothies.
said Neal.